Hello, I am Siew Lan. I believe that during this lockdown, most of the people that don't know how to cook are worried about what they are gonna eat or how are they gonna survive. But no worries, because today I'm gonna teach you all to cook one of the super easy pasta, that is chicken and broccoli pasta. I believe that you all can actually cook after you watch this video, because I personally I don't know how to cook, and I find it that this video is easy, and let's go. I'm gonna teach you. See, it is easy, right? Don't run and stay tuned for the next video.